Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of engineering economics and cost analysis. In this video we are discussing about the cost output relationship. So in the previous couple of videos we have discussed about what is the cost output relationship and the different categories of cost output relationship based on the period, that is short run cost output relationship, and we have discussed about how this short run cost, this variable cost has an impact in predicting the cost function of a short run cost output relationship. So in this video we are going to see about the long run cost output relationships. So let's get into the video. So this is what we have discussed in the previous video. So let's brush up the topics. So we know that total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, which is TFC plus TVC. So in short run there will not be any change in the total fixed cost, so the total cost will be calculated only based on the total variable cost. Now we will see what is cost output relationship is all about. So long run, as the name implies, it is a period during which all the inputs are variable, including the one which are fixed in the short run. Because, for example, let us take a matchmaking company. So I am making 10,000 matchsticks per day with the available infrastructure, with the available machinery, with the available manpower. Now I want to increase I would like to increase my output level to 1 lakh per day without changing my infrastructure, without changing the machineries or expanding the machineries, or without recruiting even more manpower. So which means that with the same machineries, with the same physical atmosphere, with the same manpower, from the next day onwards I am going to produce 1 lakh matchsticks per day. That is what short run. So the fixed cost or the physical quantity will remain the same, but the output level changes. And what are all the other parameters that changes? The parameters involved in predicting the variable cost, which are the raw materials mainly. So those are the only changing parameters in a short run. But whereas in long run, as the name implies, the period is very long, so I can make changes in the physical atmosphere or physical quantity also. So I am making a plan of increasing my productivity from 10,000 to 1 lakh. So I would like to expand my firm. So if I want to increase the production, in a long run means then the scope will be, the vision will be wider, because the 1 lakh may be sometimes become 2 lakh. So the production will keep on increasing. So instead of keeping the existing firm as such and just increasing the output variable, what I am going to do is I am going to change the physical atmosphere or the physical firm. I am going to expand the firm. I am going to expand the manpower. I am going to expand the machineries. So which means that the fixed cost or the parameters involved in predicting the fixed cost will be changed in a long run. So in long run, a firm can change its output according to its demand. Over a long period, the size of the plant may change. Unwanted buildings can be sold off, or new buildings can be added. So it can be increased, and also staffs can be increased or decreased. Likewise, so the fixed cost will not no more be a fixed cost. The long run enables the firms to expand and scale their operations by bringing purchases of larger quantities. So this long run firms have numerous. Long run enables the firms to expand and scale their operations by bringing or purchasing larger quantities of inputs. So thus in long run all factors becomes variable. There is no fixed parameters in a long run. And this long run cost output relations, therefore it implies the relationship between the total fixed cost and total variable cost and the total output. So in the long run cost output relationship, it is influenced by the law of returns to the scale. So in long run, a firm has number of alternatives in regards to the scale of operations, because for each scale of production or plant size, the firm has an appropriate short run average cost. So minor SACs, which are the short run average cost, applies to only one plant, whereas long run average cost curve takes in consideration many plants. So long run means the curve can be drawn by considering many plants. So if you want to draw a output relationship between a long run cost output relationship, then you need to draw it with the help of LCA, which is the long run cost output relationship, long run average cost, so which is LAC. So for drawing short run cost output relationships, we need SAC, whereas for long run you need LAC. So I hope in this video we get a clear idea about long run cost output relationship. So in the next video we will discuss the other topics. So with this, the cost output relationship topic has come to an end. I hope you have now understood a clear concept behind the cost output relationship. We'll meet you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.